Zal ik hier een beetje aankomen lopen? Guarding. Oh, Jesus. But often it then the foil soil. The Lolo Rosso or Lola Rossa. Try to place the compared to when you would Rosso. This means that plants can. So that is my compare. I fucking can't today. Wow. Da-di-da-di-da. If you enjoyed the video, stick it all the way into the middle. Fill up that empty space with some extra wood. Oh, wow. All right, we've just hammered these poles. We got squirted on. It's actually starting to fuck up a little bit and screw them fuck up a little bit. I like experimenting. Get this party started. Jesus Christus, what a waffle. Pretty hard right now. Try to be a little bit gentle. Sorry. But why? And I have my gloves on. I have a little bit. Cheers. Jesus. Together so it doesn't erode away over time. This means. I have no idea why, but it is what it is. Bloody bloody blah, blah blah blah, clip clip clip. Well. Now you can use the stem. Blah 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 blah. What I have. Of was scared. You're scared, yeah. This year. Fuck! The challenges that come. Fuck me. Fuck. Hey, God. Fuck. So. Fuck. Shit. And then fuck. Be better. Fuck. You get it. Yeah. It's annoying. I mean, I like the car, but it's annoying. Dandelion. All right, be any Ja, se aan. Doe maar even uit en opnieuw aan. Nog één keer, sorry, nog één keer. Oké. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.